Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting a brand new project and I'm so excited for this one. Inside this box is the Real Good Toys New Haven Dollhouse kit, but I'm not building it as a single family home. My vision is to turn it into a 3-unit apartment building. I'm picturing a beautiful old Victorian mansion that's been renovated and turned into modern apartments. I actually did something similar a few years ago with my Beacon Hill dollhouse. The New Haven project is basically an updated version of that idea. I'll put a link below to my Beacon Hill dollhouse if you'd like to check that out. So let's open this box and see what we're working with. These are all the MDF pieces laid out: the walls, the floors, the main structural parts of the house. The walls are made from 3/8" MDF with the siding already milled in. And this is the box of smaller parts. All the trim, posts, windows, and other decorative pieces are in here. I won't be using the kit windows because I'll be replacing them with a different style. Here's the parts list. Every piece in the box is listed here so you can easily match everything up as you start the build. Here's one of the floor pieces. You can identify the front edge by this little angled corner. Since these are going to be apartments, I won't be using the stairs. I bought stair hole plugs from Real Good Toys to fill in the holes. The cutout has rounded corners, so I'm using a file to square the edges so the plug can fit. Once the corners are squared, I work the cover piece into the opening until it fits snugly and sits nice and even. Next, I glue on the floor extension piece. I'm using a divider as a straight edge to line everything up. Then I tape it with masking tape and leave it to dry. And here are the foundation pieces. This is where I'm ending the unboxing. The actual build starts in the next video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss part 1 of this build. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching.